Well, Carl's Pay company nothing is almost everywhere, and the hype is just getting bigger and stronger. And frankly, I can see why. It's a unique device with a bunch of cool features. But right now we know almost everything about Nothing phone and especially price for all modifications of storage. Hi, it's OZN, and before I start, I suggest you subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. Let's discuss the news. Nothing Phone 1 will be launched in India next week on July 12th, and ahead of the launch, prices of the upcoming smartphone have been leaked online. As per report by Root My Galaxy, the Nothing Phone 1 will be offered in 3 RAM and storage configurations: 8GB plus 128GB, 8GB plus 256GB, and 12GB plus 256GB, priced at $397, $419 and $456 respectively. The Nothing Phone 1 will be the first smartphone from Carl Pay led UK-based firm Nothing that launched its first true wireless earbuds, Nothing Ear, in India last year. Although the company has not yet officially revealed the smartphone completely, almost all the information about the Nothing Phone 1 is out. Last week, in an exclusive interview to Input Mag, Carl Pay confirmed that Nothing Phone 1 will be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G Plus chipset under the hood. The system on chip is quite similar to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 778G chipset with an 8-core CPU that is made up of 4 performance ARM Cortex-A78 and 4 efficiency cores ARM Cortex-A55, Adreno 642L GPU and an X53 5G modem. The smartphone features a unique rear panel that uses 900 LEDs to make a pattern that is called glyph interface. The glyph interface can be used as a notification LED, charging indicator, and for several other functions. The lights also flicker based on the ringtone that you are using. Users will be able to customize the functionality of the glyph interface through their dedicated app. The smartphone even has a small red LED that blinks while you are recording a video. The brand has already confirmed that the device will run on Android-based Nothing OS, which you can experience now via Nothing Launcher that is available on Google Play Store for certain smartphone models. The smartphone is rumored to be backed by 4500 mAh battery with support for 33 watts fast charging. My today's question is, will you trust Mr. Pay for the second time with this promising flagship killer? To be honest, the pain for the OnePlus brand is still aching in my soul. So your answers, as always, you can leave in the comment section below. I will definitely read everything and I will answer the most interesting comments and give hearts from the channel. If this video seems interesting to you, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and ring the bell. You were watching OZN, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Slava Ukraini!